Hello friend, I am Jack, and here's how to set any song as a custom ringtone on iPhone without a computer in iOS 18. Let's follow the simple 3-steps tutorial. First, you need the Garageband app on your iPhone. This is Apple's official native app for music. If not installed, download it from the App Store and open it when the download is complete. You will see a screen with many tracks. You have to go with the audio recorder tracks. Select and tap on Audio Recorder Tracks. Now, first set the ringtone duration to 30 seconds from default 8 under the plus icon appears at the top right corner. Turn off the automatic toggle to change the default value from 8 to 30. Once you set to tap on Done. Now, the second step is to select the ringtone file downloaded from the internet. Download from the internet via Safari browser like this. I am downloading from this website. That's for example, you can download from other websites as well. Once the download is complete, your ringtone file will be saved to the Download Manager and the Files app under the Download section. For confirmation, check in the Files app. Launch the Files app on your iPhone. Go back to the main screen. Tap on the Download section. And see, your recently downloaded ringtone is here. Now, the third step is to set it as a ringtone. Again, move to the Garageband app. From here, browse the ringtone from the Garageband app. Tap the brick icon to appear at the top in the third position, and see the OM icon at the second last. Under the Files tab, tap on Browse Items from the Files app. Here is the Files app preview under the Browse section at the bottom. Tap on it until you see the main screen. Under the Download section, select the ringtone you want to set and recently downloaded from the internet via Safari. Wait for a few seconds. Your ringtone file will appear here on the screen. Touch and hold on File and drag it to the Garageband editor. Now, from the top left corner, a down arrow appears at the top first position. Select My Songs. Here, you can see your Garageband project saved. Touch and hold on the project. Tap on the share icon from the pop-up and select the ringtone option. That's for creating a custom ringtone for your iPhone. Give it a new name that's easy to identify. Once you're done, tap on the export option at the top right corner of the screen. Wait for exporting as ringtone screen and ringtone export is successful. Now, you can choose to use Sund as an option for ringtone, text tone, or assign to contacts. Select Standard Ringtone. Otherwise, you can select from ringtone settings on your phone. Now, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the Sounds and Haptics option. Again, scroll to the ringtone option and see your recently added ringtone appear in the list. Just select, and that's it. To delete a custom ringtone anytime, just swipe left and tap on Delete to remove it from the list and iPhone completely. That's an easy method to set custom ringtones on iPhone without the computer. Or use my separate video to set a custom ringtone using your Mac. Given in the video description and pin comment. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.